Latifah.
Hey, it's your girl Latifah. I just came to hang with my cousin, Shanae now. So yeah. There she go right here. There she go.
Yeah, my name's Shanae, man. I fresh out to 10. I just came to hang with my cousin.
Here we go again. Still back in business. Robin Lacey. I still got my kick. And now we beat your tail like this. Run up. It's good.
Still out.
And it's gonna pop off with that. And that's it. If you run with me, you run with girl.
Mike.
So we don't play that. We will beat anybody. Fresh out the pen.
Yeah, that's why I wasn't tied to pen.
Just Rob.
Latifah, come do them dishes.
Nah, stop. I don't want to go good.
Get your butt down here right now. Where's Shanae?
Oh, Shanae, she's out here. Mommy's here.
Okay. Yeah, y'all just know. Fresh out the pen.
Yeah,
Fresh out the pen. And I gotta go hang with my mom.
Phil, get your butt down here.
Okay.